guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm talking about the urgent update for our Cardano holders. So keep watch this video complete. And guys, if you're new here, if you don't subscribe our channel kindly, so please, first of all, you have to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more of this kind of latest and urgent news about cryptocurrencies, guys. Anyways, now let's talk about the Cardano price latest update, guys. As you can see here, if we talk about the currently latest price of Cardano, so 2.17 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Cardano in the market. And other side, that's really good news for all of you, as I predicated. So 100% my prediction going right about Cardano. So very congratulations to all holders of Cardano, those people who's wallet for following ABS Tech channel. If you follow every statement, so that absolutely you get profit, guys. You can see, guys, now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, still, guys, the Cardano is in the huge pump. And guys, if you check my previous video, so you found that I told you that in the last week of October, and as you know, today is a Monday, and now Tuesday is going, so that's mean that now Cardano is in the huge pump. So guys, that's not a temporary pump. That's a long-term pump, guys. That's a long-term project. Again, I'm telling you that it's a long-term project, guys. If you're a short-time investor in a Cardano, so absolutely never miss this opportunity. Just buy now, and more. It's time to make a huge profit. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your price prediction for Cardano right now? Please share your opinion in the comment box, guys. And absolutely, the next event of Cardano is coming soon, so I will update you about the next event of Cardano on this channel. So please subscribe now for more news and update videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel.